Want to replace your washing machine's motor? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a socket spanner, and a new motor. Step 1. Remove the back and bottom of the washing machine. First, remove all the screws from the back plate and take it out. Now repeat this process with the underside as well. Step 2. Remove the old motor. First, disconnect all cables from the motor. Then remove the drive belt at the back of the washing machine. Loosen the bolts to which the motor is attached using the socket spanner. Then remove the old motor. Step 3. Insert the new motor into the washing machine. Place the new motor back where the previous motor was. Secure the motor again with the bolts. Reinstall the drive belt in the way shown here. Then reattach all cables. Step 4. Put the back and bottom back in place. Put the bottom back in place and tighten the screws again. Slide the back plate back in and fasten it again too. You have replaced the motor and the washing machine is ready to use again.